How to enable pairing mode on your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, then connect it to an Android phone that is not a Samsung phone. So first, I want you to install the Wearable app, as this is going to give you plenty of features to make the best use and experience of your Buds 3 Pro. Okay, so go ahead and install this app from the Play Store. This is a Pixel phone here, Android 14 to be exact. All right, once you have it installed and ready to use, just keep your phone down at the side now. And to get these into pairing mode so that they can show up on your Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, open up the case lid. And when the case is open like this here, you'll most likely see an indicator there. But what we want to do is press down on this button right here. And you're going to press down like at least 3 to 5 seconds until this here will start to blink in a blue, green, red light or an orange, red light. Okay, so I'll hold it down now, and you're doing the same. Both earbuds must be in the case. So hold it down. And you'll notice they're gonna start blinking like this here, okay? And as you let it go, you'll see there's the edge lighting on the earbuds and the pairing mode. So that's the manual pairing mode. And now when you go to your Android phone, you'll swipe down, look for the Bluetooth toggle. I would also recommend long pressing it to go into a full view mode to see what's going on. And most Android phones will look like this here, other than Samsung. If you tap here, that's turning on the Bluetooth settings, and you'll see the Samsung Buds 3 Pro. Now, when you see it, for some of us, if we tap on it, we'll get a pairing request, and you want to accept the pairing request here. If it doesn't connect the first time, just run this process again. Sometimes it takes a while to connect, and then it'll connect for you. But if you do get through with it, you'll see this here. It's going to show you the active battery percentage, and you can tap here in the settings to see other options like spatial audio and these here, okay, so allow access and all that stuff. These are all gonna be like options that are found on a Pixel phone, so it's gonna be a bit different on yours, all right? Now, the next thing is, while they are already connected to your Pixel phone or your Android phone, you'll go into the Wearable app here, so tap on that, and this is going to be different from Samsung phones. So we'll go to More here, and you will now go with Start. And as you do that, it's gonna show like the nearby devices or paired nearby devices that are already on your phone. So you'll see paired devices here, you'll tap on that. And this, because it's not a Samsung phone, it's gonna need that additional sort of like a plug-in. So as you press OK, it's gonna take you to the the Google Play Store here. You'll press install and just have this thing run. You have to continue with this so that you can proceed, okay? Once the additional plugin feature has been installed, I want you to go ahead and close out the app and everything and go back to the app itself, all right? So when you go into the Wearable app itself here, you'll basically need to just continue again, but this time without the need of installing that additional plugin, okay? So start, look for Galaxy Buds 3 Pro here, and you can skip. You don't need to sign into the account here if you don't have a Samsung account for now. And just go ahead and agree. Some of them are optional, so continue. For here now, I want you to set allow, okay? You can switch later on. You don't have to allow it for certain things here. This is the active noise. Remember, this is the whole new Samsung earbuds here, so a lot of new features. So next, and then next, and it's gonna tell you you're all set. And once you're all fully connected, you should get this here. You can go through the prompts here with the let's go and all of these things. These features will only work if you have the earbuds in your ears, and the ambient works with just one earbud, so that's cool. You got sound quality effects. Not all Android phones will have Dolby Atmos, so if you go here, you will get the sound effects here, like the bass booster and all that additional features if you were wondering about that, all right? We have a few more others like earbuds controls where you can set up the controls. These are gonna be like kind of like the AirPods Pro where you can pinch them and swiping down and up for volume controls, and then answering and ending calls. You got all that stuff going on here, which is pretty neat to me. The earbud settings, voice controls. Not every phone will have this, but if it does, it's gonna appear here. And then a read aloud notifications. If you don't want it to read aloud every single thing you're hearing for the notifications, you don't want to hear that, just come here and disable them, right? But if this tutorial helped you out in any way, do hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.